friends! Today I'm going to teach you how to make this origami horse. It's very easy. We're going to start now. First things first, you should have a nice square paper. Then you should fold it like this in a triangle way. Keep it like this. Then you should fold it like this. And fold it like that. It's best if you have origami paper because it's thinner and it helps a lot. Now you need to put it like this and then turn it like this. Like this then. Next, you need to just take this and then squash fold it. Do you guys know how to squash fold? It's very easy. Okay, so you take it like this and then you squash it like this. Go back. Then after that, you take this one and then do this. You turn it around and then you do the same thing like this. Squash fold can also get out of control a little because paper is wild. Literally. Okay, next you should keep it like this. And then fold it right here. Like that. It should be from the middle line and you don't want to make it like so, rough. And then you just take this and then put it down. Then you open it up. Next, you'll need a scissor. Then you take it, and you should only cut the top. Don't cut the bottom. And cut till the middle, like here. Okay? So then you'll get something like this. You have to take this up, and then do this. Same thing with this one. Next, you need to take this and you need to take this. After that, you take this and then you do this. You just fold it in half basically, and you do the same thing with the other one, like this. And you should get something like this. Now, on the other side, take your scissors. Wait, never mind. You do this again, and then you do this again, so you'll get this. Okay, and then you need it to be nice and straight and even. Okay, now you take your scissors again, you unfold this, and then you take the first top part that you didn't cut, and then you just cut it in the same length where this part meets, like this. And then after that, you take this and then make it go over it. Same thing with the other side. One fun fact about origami is that it was made in Japan. So Japan is origami's origin. Isn't that cool? Now you do this, and then do this. And you do the same thing that we did on the other side. Like this, and then like this. So you should get something like this. Okay, our horse is almost done. Now you do this, and you take this part. So this is the tail of the horse, as you can see. This is the head. And then you open it, and then you fold it again, this. Back, like this. Then, after that, you take the head and you bend it a little. You probably want to bend it down. Your horse will look majestic that way. So, you need to do this. And then usually I just like to chop this part down so that it looks more like a horse. And there you have it, a full-fledged origami horse. It's very easy. And then you can draw the eyes and you can draw whatever small stuff you like. And there, this is your origami horse. Bye!